Hey everyone, received a parcel in the mail today from Snake Radio Customs, Tim Trent, or I should say Snake Radio Customs 2K Factory, the YouTube channel. And I was expecting this, and it was supposed to be here tomorrow, but it made it an extra day early. So we're going to do an unboxing here. I got all the information taken off. It's in pretty rough shape, but it made it. And I think there's 3 items in here. Just be careful what we're doing here. Cut the side out. See, make sure I'm in shot. And as you can see, the first item, as some of you that follow Tim's channel will know, that he was doing me up a cable for my antenna. The one that I have currently on my antenna, Antron 99, is about 20 years old. So this is, well, it feels really good too. It's got nice material to it. It's a Shireen RFC 240 UF Ultraflex. So I think it's about 60 odd feet, something like that. And a ballon on the end, and a little back-to-back PL259 to connect to the antenna. It's a brand new ballon here, of course. MFJ915. So thanks for that, Tim. And also there is a Shure microphone. I think I have it all here. Yep. Here we go. Get rid of this. It's oh, tip is off here, but should be able to put that back on easy enough. There we go. And bubble wrap. And it's a Shure mic, but it's branded as a Johnson. So Shure made the mic, and just it was designed for, or I should say built by Shure for the Johnson company. So there you have it. What's the model of this one? Let's see. Model CM21A. So this is pretty well similar to the other. Where is it to? Where do I have that placed? Right here. See, it's very similar to the Shure mic, except it's got a little bit different key down position and a bit different color, but obviously the same microphone. And of course, it's got a studio element in there, and as you could tell, if I take the top off here, it's been refoamed, and there's the studio element, and all wired up and ready to go. And I'm pretty sure, I'm 99% sure that it's a 5-pin, and it is wired for Cobra 2000. So I'm going to have a look at the mic and see if it's working on the Cobra 2000 here. Have a little peeker. There we go, she's off, and I got used to keep the clock off as well. But there we go. There we go. And yeah, so thanks, Tim. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to try to get that cable on my antenna in the coming days. And I just want to do this unboxing here and say thanks to Tim Trent, Snake Radio Customs 2K Factory. And we're out. Oh, and I forgot to mention a 6-foot jumper cable. Lovely stuff. And that's still made with the same material, RFC 240. Thanks again, Tim.